Nigeria at 65. Where is the unity and progress? I take immense pride in my rich Nigerian heritage, and my unwavering faith in our remarkable nation and our people continues to inspire me daily. I am wholeheartedly dedicated to celebrating the vibrant tapestry of Nigeria while nurturing a steadfast hope for its radiant future. More than anything, I long to witness our beloved Nigeria truly flourish, unlocking the vast potential that lies within its borders. Yet, we find ourselves at a crossroads where Nigeria has yet to fully embrace its powerful motto: unity and faith, peace and progress. The path forward does not lie in resignation or despair, but rather in our collective determination to reform our nation, addressing the challenges that have shadowed us since independence. This journey begins with the recognition that genuine progress hinges on our leaders' willingness to accept responsibility, placing the collective welfare of our nation above personal ambitions or tribal affiliations. Merely voicing support for Nigeria, without a concerted effort towards meaningful change, will inevitably lead us astray from the brighter future we ardently aspire to create. The outcomes we experience are shaped by our actions, not just our words. Let us focus on sowing the right seeds of transformation, nurturing a more vibrant Nigeria that caters to the aspirations and interests of all its citizens. Wishing everyone a joyous 65th Independence Day, Nigeria.